So now look at the code. So here we want to add four instructions, four expressions: 4 plus 5, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 67, 34 plus 64. For the same we have written a piece of code. So what do we have to do? We have to take input from the user twice, then we have to add that two numbers, then we have to display the results. So how many variables we need? For single expression, 2 input, 1 output, 3 into 4, 12 variables were required to execute the problem statement, evaluating that four expression. Here we are going to look at the output, right? We are taking and entering the input from the user and output as display. So can you observe here that four same statements were execute we are repeating again and again for four times. Okay, so this will increase the length of the code. So can we do something to reduce that? Yes, so we can do it by the use of function. So here we have we have put that four statement under one particular block, that is called as function. So name of function is fun1. Here and under that we are taking two input, we are adding it, and we are displaying the result. But just writing a function, defining a function is not enough. You need to activate it, you need to call it. It is very similar to your program. Writing program is not enough, you need to execute that program by using run option. So in similar way we need to call that function. So what is syntax for calling function? Name of the function and parenthesis. So here that program we have executed with which we have written by using function. Here we are taking input from the user, the result we are showing on the screen for four times. But can you observe here we have reduced the length of the code. Here the same statement we have not repeated again and again. Here we have written it once and executing it, calling it for multiple times. If you look at the code here, we observe that instead of printing in definition part, we are returning that value back to the back to somewhere, so where it will be catch. So it will be written back to calling a function, that is line number 8. Syntax for calling function is name of function in parenthesis. So here we have executed that. What happened? Nothing is shown. So we will move back in the program. See, we have written it, but we have not catch it, we have not store it. So here return c will we will catch it and we will store it in x, and then that x value we are printing over here. So whatever input you are giving to the um, while execution, that two variables will get add and result will get displayed on the screen. And this process you can repeat for multiple times. So writing once and calling multiple time is nothing but the function. Reusability you can apply it. So next, okay, return c. If you look at the line number 8, you are printing the value of c. But if you observe, look at the line number 7, you have cached that value in x. So you have stored the value in x, but you are printing the c. So name c is not defined. So this concept is called as scope of the variable. So that is going we are going to discuss in next video.